Till yesterday we discussed about root and stem. We discussed the total lesson and some bits, important bits regarding that. From today onwards or now, we discuss some of the important bits in leaf and also inflorescence. First, we discuss some important bits in the leaf. First question. Monocot plants having reticulate venation. Monocot plants having reticulate venation are Smilax and Dioscorea. We all know this, Smilax and Dioscorea. Smilax and Calophyllum, Eryngium and Smilax, Calophyllum and Eryngium are given only to confuse you. So, normally reticulate venation is found in dicots. Reticulate venation is normally found in dicots. But there is some exceptions like Smilax and Dioscorea. These two are exceptions where these two are monocots with reticulate venation. Monocots with reticulate venation. So, this is an important bit. Monocot plants with reticulate venation are Smilax and Dioscorea. Next question. This is a matching tabular form. Monocot plant having reticulate venation is Smilax. So, A is 4. Dicot plant having parallel venation is 2. Eryngium. Eryngium and Calophyllum are two dicots with parallel venation. Monocot plant having divergent palmate venation. Divergent palmate venation is found in Boraces. You all know divergent palmate venation means, palmate means many midribs are present and all these midribs ultimately enter their independent lobes like this. So, this type of venation is found in Boraces. Then dicot plant having convergent palmate venation. Convergent palmate venation, a dicot plant with convergent palmate venation is, convergent palmate venation means many prominent midribs are present at the base, but ultimately they come and unite at the apex and remaining veins are arranged in a reticulate manner. For this, the examples are two. One is Ziziphus, the other is Cinnamomum. Ziziphus and Cinnamomum. Ziziphus zuzuba you all know. Here stipules are modified into spines and leaf will show palmately convergent reticulate venation, and Cinnamomum is a special economically important plant where the bark is used as a spice. In Cinnamomum, bark is used as a spice. So, answer for this second question is third option, 4, 2, 1, 3. Next. Single leaf showing many modifications is found in. Single leaf showing many modifications is found in. Single leaf showing many modifications is found in Nepenthes. Why? Because Nepenthes is an insectivorous plant. The lower part of the leaf modifies into a green chlorophyllous structure called phylloid which performs photosynthesis. The upper part of the petiole is modified into a tendril. The upper part of the petiole is modified into a tendril. The lower part of the petiole is modified into a broad, expanded, green colored special photosynthetic structure called phylloid. Then leaf lamina is modified into a cup-like structure called pitcher. Leaf lamina is modified into a cup-like structure called pitcher. The rim of the pitcher shows special nectary glands which secrete slippery juices. The leaf apex is modified into an immovable, colorful, attractive lid. So, lower part of the petiole has become phylloid, upper part of the petiole has become tendril. Total leaf lamina is modified into a cup-like structure called pitcher. Leaf apex, this lid has come from leaf apex. So, leaf apex is modified into a special lid. Lid attracts the insects. Insect comes and sits on this. Because it is slippery, they fell into it. Downwardly bent hair does not allow the insects to come out. At the base, an acidic fluid is there. Ultimately, insect is killed. So, leaf shows maximum modifications, or the question is single leaf showing many modifications is found in, answer is Nepenthes. Answer is Nepenthes, not citrus, Delonix and Datura. Next question. This is again matching. Unifoliate leaf appears like a simple leaf, citrus. Unifoliate leaf appearing like a simple leaf is citrus. Why? Because here only one leaflet is present at the tip of the petiole. Petiole is also winged petiole. Petiole is winged petiole. So unifoliate leaf compound leaf with winged petiole is citrus. Leaf lamina with pinnate lobes. Leaf lamina with pinnate lobes is brassica. Pinnate lobes means equal number of lobes on both sides of the midrib. Leaf lamina with palmate lobes. Leaf lamina with palmate lobes means leaf lamina shows lobes that resembles fingers in a palm. For this, the example or answer is passiflora. Then comes leaf lamina without lobes. That means total simple leaf. That is first one, Psidium. So answer is 4, 3, 2, 1. Unifoliate leaf appearing like a simple leaf is citrus. Leaf lamina with pinnate lobes is brassica. What is pinnate lobe? Suppose this is the midrib. Lobes will be like this and their number is equal on both sides of the midrib. This is called simple leaf with pinnate lobes. Simple leaf with palmate lobes means leaf lamina shows lobes which resembles fingers in a palm, passiflora. Leaf lamina without lobes means all the leaves are simple without any lobes, example Psidium.